Hi, I'm Megan from Finger Lakes Wine Country, and it's still rosé season, but let's be honest, all year is rosé season for me. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make 2 easy-to-make rosé cocktails using some of our favorite local ingredients. All right, so first up is the cool and easy Rosé Martini. Doesn't that sound nice? What's nice about this cocktail is it only needs 4 ingredients, so it's really easy to make. You need dry rosé, vodka, grapefruit soda, and cucumber for garnish. Today we're using Wagner Vineyards Dry Rosé of Cabernet Franc and Finger Lakes Distilling Vintners Vodka, along with some grapefruit soda of your choice and cucumber for garnish. So let's get started. First of all, you need a shaker and 1 ounce of dry rosé. And then next up, we need 2 ounces of vodka. Then we're gonna add some ice. Once we get our ice in there, it's time to shake it. All right, when you're done shaking, it's nice and cold. We're gonna get our martini glass, but if you don't have a martini glass, any glass will do. All right, and once you have it in the glass, you're gonna top it off with some grapefruit soda. And last, we're going to add a little bit of cucumber for garnish. Look at that beauty. Now it's the fun part, we get to try it. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. Nice and refreshing. Perfect summer cocktail on a hot day. All right, time for our next drink. Next up, FLX Rosé 75, a rosé take on the classic French 75. So this recipe is really easy. You just need a few basic ingredients, including some gin. Today, we have Finger Lakes Distilling Seneca Drums Gin, sparkling rosé, and today we're using Dr. Constantine Frank Celebrate Rosé, simple syrup, which I just made in the kitchen earlier today. For those of you who have never made this before, it's super easy. It's just water and sugar, and I include instructions on the blog post that's gonna be on Finger Lakes Wine Country's blog, and better yet, it lasts for 30 days. And then we're also gonna need some freshly squeezed lemon juice and some lemons for garnish. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with 1 ounce of gin. Whew, it smells good. We're gonna need a 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup and a 1/2 ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. Once you have those 3 ingredients, we're gonna add a few ice cubes. Slippery little guys. We're gonna shake it. Once you have it shaken and it's nice and cold, we're gonna remove the lid. Then we're gonna pour it in our champagne flute. But again, like the last drink, if you don't have a champagne flute, any glass will do. Then once you have that, we're gonna top it off with our sparkling rosé. Leave a little room at the top because we need to add our lemon for garnish. And now for my favorite part, tasting it. Cheers. That is amazing. Perfect for any celebration or any day you just need to treat yourself. So there you have it. Those are our 2 easy rosé cocktail recipes. Stay tuned until next time.